Okay, I'm gonna make a quick video on how to make a pretty good coffee. I use a V60 and a Fellows ODE2 grinder. I'm using the Onyx Costa Rica. This will be my second pour with it. First time I did their recipe exactly. Their grind size is 3 and 450 microns. I'm gonna let you zoom in over here. There's my Fellows. I'm at 6, and I'm gonna do my recipe and see how I get how it becomes using the recipe. How I think it's going to be for my second pour over. First time it was in the time range they said, but it was a TDS of 160 and the extraction rate put me at over 24. So I'm gonna do mine right now. Of course, this should be very basic. I started how to do the filters. I got the V60 filter, pour it. I'm gonna come over here, do a simple little thing. Put this right in here, spray it out good. Put the slope over one there. Put my spoon on that fold. Then I'm gonna move it back to here. Put it right there, and I'm gonna pre-wet the filter. I pour a little extra water. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna let it all drain out. And I'm gonna set that aside, let it finish draining, and clean my water. Okay, just to show you my doing anything, I'm gonna put my, make sure it's zeroed. It was zeroed, I don't know why it changed. Throw it out there, zero that. Use my Costa Rica beans, vacuum sealed. You hear the vacuum pop. And give you a quick look at the beans. Very nice, light to medium roast. It's actually more of a medium roast. I think the argon rating is 69, so that's a more medium to moderate roast. 1650 MSL on this. I'm gonna go for 19.1. Okay, the only thing I did was just rearrange that. I'm do about 3 shots of RDT. I'll put that back down. I'm gonna give it a quick shake. And then I'm gonna come up over here and let you see what I'm doing. I'll take the cup off. And just doing a couple more shakes. Do that. Slow feed. Alright, it is empty. Stick the bellows on there. I'll start it up one more time. Do a couple of little taps. I'm gonna let that go. And I'm gonna go empty this water out. Okay. It should be cleaned. No water in there. Zero this out. And again, I'm using the V60. And I need that number right there. I need it right down. So I'm going to bring this hopefully more back here. Down. Let's focus on this. I'm bringing that out. It's amazing how different grinds look different in there. And I'm just going to go ahead and dump it in after I zero this. .1, right where I want to be. And the only thing I want to do is do like a bump level, as you see. I just want you, maybe, I can't really zoom in too much more. So I'm going to go right here. I didn't want to do that. The brew assist. I now have to pour 3 or 2. Because it says 3 or 4, but I pour 3 or 2. So I messed that up. I'm not sure what I did. First one's going to be about 40 grams. It could be a little over. I'll let it degas there to about the 30-second mark. I forgot to hit that. Try to bring it in a little bit. Hitting the 30-second mark. I'm gonna do a syrup pour to 100. See that nice bloom, nice fresh coffee. It's 12 days old out of the roaster, 100 grams. Stop right there at 100. At 1 minute, I'll pour to 200. But it'll be a spiral pour. Trying to look through the camera and do this is a little bit difficult. So you can see I'm doing a spiral pour. 200. Now we'll let it go to 130. And we're shooting for a time about 220, 222. See, it's getting up, drawing down. I'm actually going to start a little early. I'm going to do another spiral pour. I mean, this is a very fresh coffee. I think it's 12 days from the roast date. It might even be a little too early. I'm running a little high. I wasn't paying attention. I should have been a 302. Today was a little bit faster drawdown. I'm going to do it right there at 3 to 11. Again, this is my second pour. My last one was way too strong. I'm fixing to go do a TDS reading. I'll take this off and get ready to do it. Okay, I'm going to do a TDS reading. I'm going to put the grams I put in there. I'm actually using the 6, I think. So I'm going to move it to 6. I actually messed up a little bit. I went to 19.0 and I overshot it. I should have been at 3 or 2. I was talking and looking at the camera. I did. It is going to be what it is. And I think the time was actually 2:12. The kettle weight was, I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. What's that? Okay, it's connecting. everything I'm pouring wrong. I've never had that problem before where I can't pour. God dang. Because I had a different location. So I'm going to go to brew. There's the numbers where I should be more at 130 to 128. I'm expecting. I like to see probably on 128 or lower. That's just the auto cal. Now I'll do the one that does 5, takes the averages. Since I went a little bit higher on the ratio, it's going to throw me off. So it did drop it, right? So it might be put me in the ballpark. Because normally a 3 or 2 will put me at 128. So let's go ahead and call that it. We're going to do the yield of 311. I'm very happy with that. I'm going to go ahead and save. Can't ask for anything too much better than that. You know, I can dial it in, probably get in the middle, but that's probably going to be right where I like it. I appreciate you watching.